Alrighty, here we have our sequence cards that go along with the book, The Foolish Tortoise. I have 11 cards here, and they all go with the events that we listened to in the story. Let's go through our events, and then let's put them in the right sequence or order. My first card says, I think it's time that I went home. Without my shell, I don't feel right. When a fish swam up, the tortoise fled. But when he heard a hornet's drone, the tortoise crept beneath a stone. The wind rose up. I'm cold. I wish I hadn't been so bold. A snake with open jaws slid near. The tortoise backed away in fear. A tortoise, tired of being slow, took off his large and heavy shell. Hooray! I'll see the world at double speed. The sun rose high. I wish I had more shade. The tortoise gasped. I'll never be that quick. A hare, a hound, a horse raced by so rapidly. So when his shell came back into sight, he climbed back. Good night. A hungry bird came swooping past, and the tortoise hid behind some trees. After looking at those, I have an idea of which one came first. That's an ordinal word, a word that tells an order. First. Here is my chart of the Foolish Tortoise. You can see I have 11 spots, and I'm going to now put my story in the right sequence. Okay, let's get started. Let's look back to our cards. If you have a set of cards, have them all laid out too. See if you can put them in the right order. I think I remember that the tortoise wanted to be faster. So what did he do? He took off his shell. Can you find the picture where he took off his shell? Ready to move at double speed? You're right, there it is. He's leaving his shell behind. I'm taking my card and I'm going to put it on top of the number 1. There it is. After that, what happened next? I think he saw his first insect, and he was a little afraid. Do you remember which one that was? Right, that was the hornet. And remember, he hid behind the stone? That's the second one. That goes right over number 2. Okay, after he saw the hornet, what was next? Right, there was the hungry bird, remember, where he hid behind the tree? This one goes over the number 3. This one is the third. What was after that? You're right. It was the fish, right? Where he moved quickly onto the riverbed to get away. Right. That's number 4. After that, what animal did he see next? Right. It was the snake. That goes in the 5th spot. What was next? He wasn't afraid this time, but he saw the group of animals, the horse, the hare, and the hound. They ran by rapidly. That means quickly. And what did he think when he saw them moving so fast? Right, he thought, I'll never be that quick. This goes over the number 7 spot. This is the 7th. What happened after that? Oh, I think there was the hot sun, wasn't there? He wished he had some shade. There it goes over the number 8. What happened next? Right. The wind was blowing. Look at the tree was blowing. And he was so cold without his shell. Let's put that over the number 9. 2 cards left. Okay. Look, he spots his shell. I think it's time I went home. Without my shell, I don't feel right. He realizes what he left behind, his shell. He says, I really missed my shell. I need it. And then there's the last one. So when his shell came into sight, he climbed back in. Good night. Good job. Okay. You can take your cards, you can mix them up, and you can see if you can put them in the right sequence again. Good job, boys and girls. See you next time.